Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Word. Today we are going to learn reference menu. Okay, before going to use this menu, let us add some text to our page. Keep first pages as empty and go to insert and insert blank page. That is second page. Here suppose I type some heading. The heading is simple. Suppose I give the name heading 1. Okay, then here you can set this as a heading 1 with the help of style. Okay, now go to page 2. Page 2 suppose we give heading 2, then page 3 heading 3. Okay, now let us go to first page. Here is the first page. Okay, we have a number of topic in page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Then with the help of that topic we can easily make index or table of content. Here you can click on table of content, and if you have a heading 1, 2, 3 like this. Here we have only heading 1 because for each heading we give a heading 1 style. You can also give heading 2, 3, etc. Okay, then you can here set any type, any style. Suppose I set here first style. Here is heading 1, 2, 3. Suppose I want to go heading 2, then press Control and click here. You can directly go to heading 2. Okay, like this. If you have any PDF or book, then you can like this. You can create a content. Okay, then suppose here I have some paragraph R&D 2. Okay, and at the end of this paragraph I want to give some footnote. Okay, then how to create footnote? Suppose here I put cursor at the end of document, and here I use footnote, any footnote. Suppose you can do any information in the footnote. Suppose here I give another footnote, then there is number is automatically 2. Okay, now whenever we put cursor here, then uh, like a comment, it will display the footnote. Happy Sunday. Here is the footnote. Happy life. Like this you can insert a footnote. Okay, you can also go to next footnote. Okay, now this is a simple part. The second part is ci- citation. How it will work, let us say. For citation, to create citation, we have to select, or suppose here I make this paragraph as bold. Okay, suppose this paragraph we will write by using our own logic, but this paragraph we will suppose we have copy paste this paragraph from another book. Then citation is help to give the acknowledgement of that book, or it is also useful if you don't have to face any copyright problem. Okay, now go to reference. Here insert citation. Here you can give the information from where you have taken this paragraph or this note. The source is type. You can use the different source, journal, articles, or report. Give the name of author. Suppose here we give name Jimmy. Then you can also give the title. Here I use comp info. You can also set the year. of that book. If the city is Mumbai, publisher is ABCD. Okay, here write OK. After that, let us go to second page. Here also we want some paragraph. Here also we bold it, and we want to give citation here for another paragraph. Here also we use book. Author is, title is IMP data. Year is 2019. You can put any city, New York, publisher XCVZ. Okay. Whenever we create like this a citation, then at the end of the page, let us create one blank page. Go to insert blank page, and this blank page you can write a bibliography. Okay, click here, and you can set any pattern for bibliography. Suppose I use references. Here is the bibliography. This is the information of author, book, and publisher from which we have used any reference or any other data or information. Okay, like this you can create this bibliography at the end of your book. Okay, then next one, let us create new file, blank document. Here suppose we have something number of tables. Suppose here let us create table. I put it empty. If you have a data of table, then you can use data. Enter, then insert blank page. Okay, it is also table. Like this you can create a number of tables. Then select this table, references, go to caption, add new source. Sorry, you can go insert caption. Here automatically it will display table 1. Okay, then here select this table, insert caption. Here is table 2. You can use here any equation, figure, or table. Use any reference. You want to insert the caption above the item or below the item, you can choose it. Okay, now here we want first blank page. Therefore, let us insert one more blank page. Undo it. We want blank page before table. Blank page. Now here also you can insert table of figure. Okay, and simply click on OK. Here also it will create the index. You can use table or any figure, or there are three options: table, figure, and equation. Okay, like this you can create a reference, because it will again create the shortcut. Press Ctrl, go to table 1, then press Ctrl, go to table 2, as well as it will also provide shortcut for page number 2, page number 3. Okay, now let us use what is a cross reference. Again, I take blank document. Here suppose we have paragraph. Let us keep first page as well. You can keep it blank for index. Okay, I directly type here 3 paragraph. In next page two paragraph. Okay. Now suppose um, you can apply any logic. Suppose here I use again blank page and insert paragraph. Okay. So I insert table, and here also let us give caption table 1. Now again here suppose I want to insert one figure picture, and here we want to give caption figure 1. Okay, it is below the figure. Okay. Now how to create cross references. Suppose here I use for more details see the then here go to cross reference. Here we want to reference of table, therefore here choose table. The caption is table 1 and go to insert. Here is the caption is table 1. On the page, here you can also give the page number. Again go to cross reference and here use page number, insert, close. Then for here you can also see the diagram cross reference. Here use figure, caption is figure 1, insert. On page, go to cross reference. Here is page number, insert, close. Now whenever user read this document and he want to check the more details, then here press control table 1. Okay, you can also click on page number. Like this you can create a cross reference. Cross reference is used for not only table, you can also use for heading. Here we have heading. Okay, here also you can use cross reference. Okay, for heading. Suppose here let us see detail section, detail information available on section on cross reference. Suppose here we use heading. The heading is 3. Okay, close. Now here also use cross reference, press control, it is heading 3. Okay, like this you can create cross reference within any page of the your book. Now in some books there are some specific words, and if you want to search book by using that word, then on the back pages of that book there is information, the word is present in each page, in which page number. Okay, like this you can also create a reference for simple words. Okay, for that use mark entry. Suppose go to first paragraph, heading 1, select this video and click here simply and use here mark. Okay, after that suppose on page 2 we want this powerful, click here mark. In one paragraph you can create marking for number of words. Search mark. Okay. Okay. After that, close this and go to the end of the page. Again, insert here blank page. If you don't like this mark, then go to home and click on this mark. Then all this mark will get disappear. It will display as a simple text. Okay. Now go to page end of the page, references, and click on insert index. Okay, and simply use OK. Here is the reference. Suppose again it will show the word with page number, and here you have to search that word on that page number manually. Like this, you can create some word notes on your page. Okay, these are some important options. You can also use mark citation. Mark citation is like a insert citation and mark entry. You can easily use this option yourself. Okay, this is a simple options of reference menu. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.